Hello everybody. So I just wanted to show you real quick project I'm working on. I got this little piece of shit freaking 99 Corolla for 350 bucks last Sunday. So about a week ago. So far I have, in the process of changing the brakes out. I'm just going to change the pads. I'm trying to put little as money in this as possible. When I got it, it had no oil in it. I coasted down the hill, had no gas, coasted down the hill, could put some oil in it. The lady said it was been leaking oil, burning oil, mysteriously leaking, whatever, I don't know. And then I had a coolant leak, which I fixed with some JB Weld. It was just on the top of some pinhole leaks on the top of the tank, or the radiator, and put some coolant in it. Let's see, I wasn't going to replace the brakes, but then, you know, I was starting to have the metal on metal sound, so, you know, in the process of doing that now. It had four stock rims, and four of these like 15-inch aftermarket whatevers, and two of the aftermarket 15-inch rims were on the front, and they're wider tires, and then the stock ones were on the back. And also there's no power steering pump in this. The power steering pump, well, there's one in it, but it's garbage. And the lady said she never replaced it. She had the car for a year and just drove it as is. So I moved the stock tires, since it's skinnier, up to the front, and the wider ones to the back. And they had it set up this way because those are the only tires that would hold air or whatever. Put new tires on it tomorrow, which is going to cost me a grand total of 298 bucks for 4 brand new tires, getting alignment done, balance installed, everything. So it was only going to be a difference of like 20 bucks to get used ones, so I just got the new ones. It doesn't have door handles in the front. It has these little ghetto rig nails. And as you can see here, there's some rot in the front, or in the body. But that's about the worst of it right there. Everything else looks good. Faded paint, whatever. What else? Oh yeah, this handle is the same way. But the back handles work. But then on the inside, there's no handles. No handles. And it was loaded with trash when I got it too. Found a freaking Dunkin' Donuts bag filled with a donut from who knows how long ago. A bunch of other nasty stuff, hair, whatever. Cleaned it out real quick, wiped it down. Made it, you know, up to decent standards, I guess. You know, light cover missing. Still works though. Oh yeah, this mirror. So it got hit by a pile truck and it did this damage. I just grinded it down, bust the rust off, put some primer on it. Same with that there on the hood. And then I put a little cheapo stick and go freaking mirror on it. What else? So yeah, that's pretty much it. The AC, can't even talk. AC and the heat are it's kind of sketchy. You can't turn the fan on without sounding like the fan is about to freaking explode. So you just leave it turned off and turn it to whatever heat setting you want, and it still blows through the vents. So whatever works. But I got this for a winter beater, 350 bucks. So far I've put about 100 and some change with the brakes and everything into it. Cost me, you know, almost 200 bucks to register it, whatever. And then I'm spending almost 300 bucks tomorrow. So, you know, under 1,000 bucks. Got a good running, strong engine. It's got 246,000 miles. Surprisingly runs really good. Oh, there's also an exhaust leak somewhere I gotta find and patch up. Some more JB Weld. But I'm using this car for just for deliveries, for doing fast or takeout deliveries for pizza, Chinese, things like that on the side. I'm getting roughly 40 miles a gallon in this thing, and it's not even rated that high, so I don't know, somehow or another I'm doing pretty well with it. Then, you know, it has little odds and ends that are not working, like, or that were hoses that are disconnected, whatever, for like the windshield wiper fluid. You know, that hose was disconnected. I didn't pay attention to it. I went and filled it up, and it just started pouring out the bottom, which it's whatever. It's not a big deal. The battery's in pretty good condition, fairly new. The lady said she put new rotors and brakes on it, but tell me right now what you think. Yeah, rotors are in decent shape, but they're freaking definitely not new. It's freaking pads. Look at this shit. They drove it like maybe 20,000 miles within a year. And this shit, really? Yeah, they didn't replace shit. Rear shocks need to definitely be replaced, but I'm not replacing them. Like I said, I'm trying to put as little money as possible into this beast. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be working on. Slow little improvements here and there, but yeah. Best thing to do is find a winter beater. It runs, a strong engine, transmission shifts good, and go with that to get you around. I'm interested to see how, when I put these new tires and brakes on, how this does during the snow. All right, guys, I'll take it easy.